Now back to another episode of Food Notes. You see here we are getting water into this pot so we can wash our chicken breast. There's one. There's another. I'm going to show you how I wash my chicken breast. You just start off with a little bit of lime juice, and then you'll add in a little bit of salt. Next, we're going to get started with our cucumber. Cucumber. Yes, we'll be dicing up some cucumber along with those Roma tomatoes, and we will go on to our jalapeno. I'll also be dicing up parsley as well. I do hope everyone is doing well on today. We're just moving through. Now you can see the final product. Everything is chopped up, and we are ready to get started making our avocado. I'm just gonna get everything that I chopped up so far organized in the container. And then we can move on to our avocado portion of the guacamole. I fully understand that people have different methods to get their avocado processed, ready for guacamole. I know some people put the avocado into a bowl and take a fork or a spoon to it. This is how I'm doing it, and of course you can tell here that I had fun doing it. Yeah, maybe a little bit too much fun, but the end result, I didn't regret it. almost as if I made a little avocado cake, right? Next up, I'm gonna get it added over to the bowl with the tomatoes, the jalapenos, the parsley. And after I do that, I'm gonna seal the container, and I'm just gonna give it a nice little shake. But I did forget before that, we will be seasoning it with lemon juice, black pepper, that is lemon pepper, that is the aforementioned black pepper. This is like a veggie seasoning. And last but not least, we have the cilantro lime seasoning. Now you'll see here, this is where I go in with my spoon, just to get everything stirred up, because we're gonna give it one more shake after we do this. And won't you witness the outcome? Man, it looks good and it tastes even better than it looks, of course. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna give it a little taste here. Oh yeah. The big guy is loving it. Here we go off to our chicken breast. We got it out of that pot, and now I'm pat drying it so I can season them. Yes, it's always good to pat dry both sides, front and back. Next I'm going in with a poultry seasoning right here. That may be garlic powder, but of course black pepper. And then I'm going to score them. By scoring our chicken, we're able to let some of that flavor escape into the chicken breast itself and stay moisturized on the inside as well. Here I'm adding a sauce that I came up with. It contains, it's Asian based, of course. It contains ketchup, freshly chopped garlic, soy sauce, and white rice vinegar. Simple, right? Look at that beautifully scored chicken breast going into that skillet. Yes. Look at it. Looking good. I got the chicken on the cutting board, probably going to sample it, and then I will get them cut off into chunks. This is some very, very good sauce. Top it off with some ginger powder. Very, very good sauce. Makes very good chicken. I even use this on my wings. And now I am arranging my salad here. Yes, you can season your salad. I did it with a little custom Greek seasoning, maybe Cajun seasoning, I'm not sure. And we got it all topped off here. We have the guacamole, we have the ranch on top, and we have the chicken in various places in the salad, and that is your end result. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the salad of the summer, Asian-based chicken salad. Let's recap our food notes. Wash your chicken, make your guacamole, make an Asian-inspired sauce for the chicken, organize, layer your salad, and enjoy. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. Send them my way. Leave a comment. And until next time, it's been real. See ya.